Hi, I'm Caleb.
And I'm Damon, and we're going to be reviewing this card deck box. So this card deck box is made out of waterproof leather. It has stitching on the top and sides that match the interior color. On the sides, it has two windows for like your cards, so your favorite cards that you can put in. It's made out of soft microfiber on the inside. Has those two hard cases that you can display on the sides. And there's one on this side as well. Has this U shape here and here, so that's easy to grab your cards. This part is magnetic. If you turn it over, it's not going to open either. I'm going to show them how. So this can also open all the way, so you can use this as a playing area. It also folds, so you can display it. Fold it again. Has a different angle as well. Then on this side, it has a dice drawer. So let's go ahead and put some cards in it and show you what it looks like with some cards. Alright, so we went ahead and filled this up. So you can see that you can display your favorite cards or your best cards on the side. And okay. We filled this all the way up. So if you turn it upside down, they're not going to fall out. Magnetic case once again. You still have your drawer that I can't pull out. So you have your dice drawer. You can display it that way. That way. This U design lets you easily grab your cards or a cards. And yeah. So this can fit 400 plus cards sleeveless, more than 320 cards single sleeve, and up to 160 cards double sleeve. Alright, so would Caleb recommend this?
Yes, I would, because it's good at holding and displaying your cards and keeping them safe.